All right, well there they are. A lot of work's gone into these two engines and they've come up great, if I do say so myself. As I said, a lot of work and detail gone into these builds. These represent pretty much everything we've got to offer here at Rotec Aero Sport as far as our legacy engines are concerned. So what we have here in front of us is a Gen 2, which I call a Gen 2.5 because I've just done upgrades on it to 7/16 through bolts on the crankcase. And also hollow push rods and cross-drilled rocker shafts, so there's no external oilers that it previously had. As I said in my previous video, you may have seen that I've blanked off where that T-fitting used to go there is gone now, there, and the heads have been blanked off. So it's got hollow push rods. You might be able to see under there, but I'm not going to. You're not going to see it, but yeah. The crankcase is blanked off now, so it's all oiled through the rocker gear is all oiled through the hollow push rods. So it previously had solid push rods, they're obviously all gone. The engine behind it is a 2200, built to the same spec, but it's a Gen 3, so it's already got the internal rocker gear. It's also got a roller cam with a hydraulic lifters, where this is hydraulic lifter but flat tappet. No problem, it's just got a slightly different cam profile. Equally as good as each other. Couldn't split them, they run perfectly. Everything on the engines are the same spec, so you'll come with a TBI throttle body for mixture control, fully metered. You've got a 45 amp alternator, although the alternator's not bolted on here, but the kit is there, the plate's there, but the alternator's not. As you can see, it'll look like that when it's all bolted on. It's got Rotec ignition as well. And of course LCH, and both engines will come with exhaust POMs or mufflers, so a full exhaust system on both engines. As I said, you've got the fuel, you've got the starter motor, you've got your alternator, comes with a lot. So yeah, these will be on display at Oshkosh. They are available. I've had quite a few inquiries already, and I'd be surprised if they even get to the show before they're sold, but they might get to the show. But if they are sold prior to the show, we can replicate these engines. We've got plenty of stock to be able to build engines to this quality. In fact, these two engines are straight out of my own stock, and both engines have been from the crankshaft out have been line bored, cam tunnels line bored. As I said, the crankshaft tunnel line bored, both engines, new main bearings, big end bearings, seals, O-rings, cylinder heads, valves, piston rings, everything's been done. It's hone cylinders. So there you go. They'll be packed in these crates. They're going to go out tomorrow. So they'll get to the show pretty much for the start of the show, or if not, maybe a day late. Will take a couple of days to set up anyway, so we'll have plenty of time. So there you go. Two perfect examples, I believe, of Jabiru engines. So there's the ceramic paint on the exhaust. Once that heats up, that'll bake on nicely. That'll last a long time. The other one doesn't have that. You see upside down here. All new hoses, turbo hoses here. I've already run the LCH lines. So 3 cylinders on this side, 3 cylinders on that side. So everything's been done. These will bolt straight on, fit your radiator, your water pump, and plumb it up and hook it up and go. Similar to this one. If I flick it upside down. The only difference is I haven't got the exhaust painted. You see, it's just been polished. But I thought that's a good idea. I think that looks nice. It'll last quite a while too. Anyway, same standard here. New caps, new leads. New caps, new leads. Gaskets, everything. So yeah, whoever picks these engines up will do very well. They'll come with a generous Rotec warranty, excluding electricals, so all your mechanicals are covered well and truly. We rely on our own warranty. We don't need external warranty. We do everything in-house. So yeah, they should be great. All right, look forward to, I'll get these packed up now and get them in their boxes. And let's get them off to the States and have a great show. Righto, take it easy.